Time estimation is a key skill in time management, yet many people are either unfamiliar with the concept or they've never built up the skills to estimate time accurately. Some people have this natural sense of how long they'll take to complete anything, even something they've never ever done before. For the rest of us who have no clue, or perhaps we've always been off with our estimations in the past, a simple estimation formula to start with is double your gut guesstimate. For example, if you think something will take you, say, 30 minutes to complete, allow for 60 minutes. As an experiment, you can begin timing yourself to see how long it takes to complete various daily tasks to give yourself an idea of number one, roughly how much time the tasks take, even when you're interrupted, and number two, how much time you lose to distractions, as well as number three, what various amounts of passing time feel like 5 minutes, what does 15 minutes feel like, 30 minutes feel like, and so on, since a lot of people can't accurately gauge this. If you want to get serious about your time estimation, which will help you exponentially when it comes to creating more realistic daily to-do lists as well as timelines for project management, here are some steps that you can take. Number one, recall similar tasks or projects from the past and how long they took to complete. You can use this as a rough estimate until you work through the following, which is step two, break the task or project down into smaller steps. Number three, estimate how long each step should take to complete. Number four, add in some extra or cushion time to allow for problems or glitches. Number five, check your calendar to see what your workload is. Number six, schedule in appointments with yourself in the empty spaces on your calendar to work on the steps, allowing room each day to complete other work since chances are you have more than one task or project to work on. Number seven, based on this planning, determine how much time in total you need for the task or project, as well as how long the project should take you to complete. Step 8, when you complete the task, be sure to notate somewhere in your task management system or your memory how long the task actually wound up taking so you can build up your library for experiences to recall in order to help you with future time estimations. You'll find that when you begin paying attention to how much time you use, you not only become a better estimator, but you also work at a higher productivity level because you know how much time you want to spend on those tasks. That, in essence, are the basics of time estimation.